John Chadwick, 19 years of age. My village is Mufali and Fiscal Pike. Yeah, I was born in Nepean Hospital. In all honesty, like, feel normal way. But then again, like, you have that whole mindset at the back of you saying, like, you're your own person as well. You know? Every personality and trait that you have is different to everyone else around you.
So how was Fortnite today?
Fortnite was alright. Got 6 dubs. Shout out to my boys, MVP. I went to Pumpton High School. For me, school, had its ups and downs. Most classes, when I was bothered, I'll listen. The rest, I'll just like listen to my AirPods or something like that.
Yeah. You mentioned your school had you were in school when there was suicides there?
Yeah, there was actually 2. One of the boys and one of the girls. In all honesty, kind of changed my perspective of school and like how I should act towards people. Because you don't know what people are going through. They don't know what you're going through. It just kind of hit different because I lost one of the girls, and I looked at her as like a little sister. So once I lost her, I felt like I wasn't really there for it, or what could have I done to be there when she was here.
Yeah.
I was pretty good. Like, we always gave the same energy. We never expected anything back when we gave. Like, say, early days at school, we gave have a feed, and like, we never really expected. Oh, nah, you owe me. It wasn't like that. I hear a lot of stories about like, my parents, how they grew up, how they were with their siblings. But growing up and hearing my mom's side of the stories, kind of opened my eyes to a lot of things. How to treat my sisters. The main thing that she always says is that your pupil, and your eye is like your sister.
Yeah.
Anything that happens to you, your sister is always there.
Yeah.
Just keep pushing. You hear that from a lot of people. Like, just keep pushing. There's other people that say, I'm always gonna be here for you. But at the end of the day, it's your mindset. It's you against you. So you just keep pushing, keep striving for your dreams. You can't just be like, yo, I want this, I need this, and not work for it. Most important lesson is work hard. Count the blessings, not the money. Everything that you do, always do it wholeheartedly.
Yo. Any words you wanna say to your nephew when he watches this in a few years?
What's up?
Stay away from your cousins.
Stay.
Take a bullet for my girl and anything in return. I've been stabbed twice for them.